Hi, this is Granny B from Fort Smith, Arkansas, and I'm doing a video today, an unboxing of a new thing that we got, and I'm just real thrilled to show this to you. The other day I was dehydrating some potatoes, and my old dehydrator that I had bought years ago, only spent $15 for it. It finally bit the dust. For years, the little trays had been cracking and warping and breaking, and so then the other day when we did those potatoes, it finally bit the dust. I was perfectly willing to just go back to Walmart and buy another cheapy dehydrator, but Papa Bruce, bless his heart, said, "You have worked so hard on doing dehydrating foods." He said, "I want you to have a good one." So we went to the Academy store and we bought this nice one. I hope it's nice. We're going to find out. But it's the Mighty Bite Dehydrator by LEM. If any of it's there's a 2-year warranty and 5 trays. So I'm hoping that some of you have seen or used this before, and if you have, let me know. Now, we did cut it so we could get it out easier, but we haven't opened it yet. So here we go. There is a instruction book right off the bat. What do I need to do, honey?
I'll get it.
Oh my, that's pretty.
We'll box it off.
Okay. My other one was just a plug in. You plug it in and you let it run until your food was dry. This one's got a programmer on it and a timer and all kinds of fancies. So there it is. It's got a door on it.
It's the front door. That's the back, I think. I don't know what I'm talking about.
There's a door.
Just like a man don't know what he's talking about, huh?
And there's the trays. That's bigger than my little round one. A little bit. But it's got 5 trays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's got a drip tray. And lots of ventilation on the sides. This is how I knew it was the back. Nice size fan area here. Good heavy duty cord. That's a much heavier cord than my other one did. And then it's got the on and off button and a temperature. Like I said, my other one was just plug it in. But it's got a drying guide and temperature control. So I'm gonna be doing some more potatoes, and I'll let that be another video as I do some potatoes for you. And then our garden is coming off real good too. We're getting lots of green onions, and so I want to dry some green onions. But that's all there is for today. And I do want to tell you that I've been very busy with the garden, and I have not forgotten that I told you I was going to do a kaleidoscope. But since we had all those potatoes, I needed to do this first, and so kaleidoscope will have to come afterwards. But we'll do that in the next day or two. And also a special treat is I did a video sometime back and showed you a box for plastic wrap that my brother-in-law had made, and he's sold several of those units, and someone who had ordered a couple of them wanted to know if he could do one that would hold aluminum foil and plastic wrap. So he put a pencil to a drawing pad and he came up with an idea, and he has sent us a double-decker. So I've got 2 videos I'm going to be doing in just the next few days. One of them is how to build your kaleidoscope, and one is showing off this beautiful new two rack paper cutter. So stick with me. Y'all have a good day. Please stay safe, and thank you for watching my videos. I love you each and every one. Bye bye.